Rise and shine, volleyball fans, masantos, yakabwasan at sikay namin Pangasinenses. We are here at Narciso Ramos Sports Complex and Civic Center to watch our 5 games in the women's division and 5 games in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 under the leadership of Governor Ramon V, Guico III. For our first game, matutunghayan natin ang battle between the municipality of Mabini having 1-5 standing versus the undefeated municipality Bugallon having 5-0 standing. So for this matchup, makikita natin kung patuloy pa rin ba ang winning streak ng Municipality of Bugallon or makakakuha nga ba ulit ng another win ang Municipality of Mabini. Yan ang aabangan natin, volleyball fans. Kaya just keep watching here in our page because our game 1 in the women's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Good morning and welcome to our live coverage here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. Welcome once again to another exciting Sunday as we bring you another action-packed in the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. We hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday morning wherever you're watching from. Thank you for making us part of your weekend as we continue witnessing the best volleyball talents from our municipalities and cities, proudly showcasing sportsmanship, teamwork, and the true spirit of competition. Before anything else, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon Vigico III, whose unwavering commitment to youth development and sports continued to create opportunities for our local athletes to shine. Through his vision and leadership, this tournament has become a wonderful avenue for every municipality and city to display their talent, passion, and love for the game. And what a way to begin today's schedule as we open with a thrilling matchup between two powerhouse teams in the women's division. It is between Team Bugallon and Team Mabini. I am Maria Victoria Ferrer, together with my partner Cliff Lagisma, will be bringing you all the action, excitement, in every point of today's matches. This is the Governor Ramon V. Gico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. In just a few moments, makikita po natin ang introduction of the teams. First 6 for Team Mabini, jersey number 12, jersey number 9, 10, 8, 7, and 19.
First 6 for Team Bugallon, we have jersey number 13, jersey number 19, jersey number 12, jersey number 7, jersey number 4, and jersey number 1.
This is set sa open. And the first point goes to Team Bugallon.
On deck to serve for Team Bugallon, jersey number 13. Middle attack goes out. Service again, jersey number 13 for Team Bugallon. And an ace serve.
Still serving, Eslera. Good serve. Bugallon. Set sa 4, drop ball. Andun yung libero. Eslera to Perez. Bugallon. Sa gitna. Andun si Eslera. Quejado to Perez. Damascus there. Itinaas para kay Viterbo. Free ball. Eslera to Perez. Long rally. Viterbo, drop ball. Then si C. Bugallon, back set sa 4. Mendoza, then si Pagarigan. Quejado to C. Net sa gitna. But
That was a pretty long rally, partner.
serving, jersey number 12. Received by Perez Eslera. Binigay sa open and it catches the line. Point for Team Bugallon. Our official score is 4-1.
Nice vision there by Perez, putting the ball at zone 5.
Vicente. Bugallon is set para kay Viterbo. Dun si Pagarigan Eslera to the open. Viterbo straight to the net. Another point for Team Bugallon.
On deck to serve for Team Bugallon, Vicente. Good serve. Bugallon sets to the middle. Drop ball, campfire. Bugallon.
On the service zone, jersey number 9, Viterbo. Good reception. Tesorio and point for jersey number 6.
Sorio flying and scoring. C serving. Good serve. Bugallon to the open. Off speed. Point for Team Mabini. Three serving 6.
Mendoza, Eslera, to Perez. Wow, what a powerful cross-court attack. The
Perez
jersey
with the
number
sharp
12.
cross there. Perez serving. Bugallon to the open. Denied. Denied by Sorio and Eslera.
Early timeout here for Team Mabini. 5-point lead. Ang live coverage po ng Central Conference ay dito rin po sa ating Facebook page na Rev Up TV. Mapapanood nyo rin po iyon sa Eastern Conference rather sa Ramon V. Guico III Volleyball Inter-Town Tournament page. Mangyari lamang po na i-visit nyo ang mga page na yon for you to watch.
Perez on deck. Serve. Bugallon, pipe attack. Dug by C.
Quijado. Lagarigan. Perez will give a free ball. Bugallon is set para kay Damasco. And a point for jersey number 7.
Damasco breaking the block of Sorio.
Serve. And a service ace for Manzano.
Unlikely error from the libero of Bugallon.
Manzano.
Targets the libero again to the middle attack. And Doug. Damasco, free ball, Perez. Eslera with an overset.
Double contact violation committed by Eslera. And good timeout for Team Mabini. It's a 3-0 run here. Bugallon. So that's open and that is outside. No check ball.
Sorio on deck to serve for Bugallon. Good serve. Bugallon to the open, drop ball. Andun si Perez. C, free ball. Bugallon, pipe attack. Eslera with the dump. Eslera again. Perez couldn't handle that.
Substitution here. Damasco out, Botas in.
Botas as serve specialist. Who will she go to? Targets the libero of Bugallon. Pagarigan, free ball. Bugallon, middle attack. And she scores! Navarro. Zone 1 open for Team Bugallon.
Botas. Good reception. Eslera will give a free ball. This is set para kay Viterbo. Andun si C. Eslera underhands it to Pagarigan. Pushes that one. Bugallon to Viterbo. And Mabini gets the lead.
Pagarigan hesitation that time.
Free ball for Team Mabini. Bugallon to the middle, and then si Eslera. Pagarigan. Free ball again for Team Mabini. Navarro will set it to Viterbo, and she finds the line. Another point for Team Mabini, and it's time for Team Bugallon to call for time.
Back to the ball game. Bota still in the service area. Targets the libero. Eslera. Middle attack. And she scores. Vicente muscling that out. 10 serving 11 for Team Bugallon.
Ball, Pagarigan itataas para kay C, but another free ball. Bugallon is set para kay Navarro. Deflected. Eslera to set it to the open. Bugallon to Viterbo, and then si Quijado.
Another
Eslera
rally.
to Perez. Bugallon, backset para kay Mendoza. Bugallon to Navarro, and then si Quijado. Eslera to Vicente. And another point for jersey number 1.
Still serving. Team captain Pagarigan for Team Bugallon. Ace serve. Pagarigan with an ace, giving them a 1-point lead. Still serving Pagarigan. Bugallon, Viterbo, andun si C. Libero plays setter. Good ball. Oh, a lifting violation for Team Bugallon. Deadlock at 12. Full front row for Bugallon for Team Mabini. Bugallon targets the libero. C. Flying. Bugallon to Viterbo. And finally, she scores. Viterbo muscling that out a while ago. Bugallon still serving for Mabini. Perez receives. Vicente. Then ng libero. To the opposite. And good ball.
Viterbo, that is inside.
Viterbo finding zone 5. 2-point lead by Team Mabini. Bugallon still serving. Sharp serve. And an ace serve for Bugallon.
Three-point lead. Bugallon. Vicente will play setter here, C. And then si Viterbo. Bugallon to Mendoza. Soft touch, Eslera to C. And then si Viterbo. Bugallon isa-set sa middle, pero masyadong mababa for Navarro. Serving jersey number 13, Eslera. Good serve. It's received. Itinaas ang bola. Chance ball for Team Bugallon. Eslera kanina ibibigay. Vicente. Andun si Botas. Bugallon to Viterbo. Eslera. C. Sa opposite, drop ball. Andun si Quijado. Eslera. Back set para kay Perez. Pushes that one. Long rally. Viterbo for free ball. Eslera. And Eslera is a back row player, so point for Team Mabini.
Serving for Team Mabini, jersey number 12. Slera. Perez. Navarro receives Viterbo. Slera to the middle. Vicente again.
Manzano to Viterbo. Doon si Quijado. Bibigay kay C. And that is off the block. Another point for Team Mabini.
Viterbo using Perez as hands there.
Slera to Vicente. And miscommunication on part of Team Mabini. Another point for Team Bugallon.
Campfire there, partner, for Team Mabini. No one getting the first ball. Vicente serving. Bugallon. Viterbo flies. Blocked by the Perez. Eslera. Who will she go to? Perez. Dump ball and net rejection for Perez. Four-point cushion for Team Mabini. Eslera unable to set that ball. Bugallon is in disarray now. Heavy serve from Viterbo. Good block by Sorio and C. Giving Bugallon a point. Full front row for Bugallon.
Bugallon isa-set para sa open. Nandun si Eslera. Miscommunication. Kailangan kumuha ng second ball.
Frustrations all over the faces of Team Bugallon. Pagarigan. Slera to Pagarigan again. Eslera to Perez. Dump ball. Perez successful on the dump ball. (16) serving 20. Perez on deck to serve for Team Bugallon.
Perez. Received by Mendoza. Bugallon is set para kay Damasco. And then si Quijado. Perez will set it to Pagarigan. But that is not over. Another attack error on the side of Team Bugallon.
Pagarigan too short on that attack. Direct to the net.
Quijada will play setter. Pagarigan, nandun si Viterbo Bugallon. Mendoza from the pipe. Free ball for Team Mabini. Bugallon is set para kay Damasco. Blocked. Good coverage there. Push. Eslera to Pagarigan. And then si Mendoza. Long rally. Damasco. Misreceived by C. And another point for Team Mabini. And Bugallon will use their final timeout here sa ating first set. 6-point lead by Team Mabini.
Back to our ball game. Mabini serving. Sharp serve. Slera want to play.
Net
Slera net
violation.
touch.
Serving jersey number 9, Manzano. No, rather 8. Pagarigan. Then si Manzano to Damasco. And a point for Team Bugallon.
Sorio on deck to serve for Team Bugallon. High serve, Bugallon to Damasco, free ball. Sorio, Vicente giving a free ball. And si Mendoza, Bugallon to the middle attack. And it's out. Ball out for Navarro. Sorio serving. Mendoza receives Bugallon. Opens to Navarro. Slera, Pagarigan flying. Dug. Bugallon, Damasco.
Good ball. C. Eslera to Vicente. This is Damasco. Set sa back row. Pagarigan will set it to Vicente, but free ball ang ibibigay. Bugallon is set para kay Viterbo. Straight to the net. Another point for Team Bugallon. It's a 3-0 run here by Team Bugallon, and it's time for Team Mabini to call for time. You're still watching the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Bugallon and Team Mabini. Nasa first set pa lang po tayo ng ating first game for Women's Division. Serving. Sorio.
Too much muscle on Sorio's serve. Giving Mabini their set point. Ooh. Service error for Team Mabini. That might be costly, partner.
Yes. Serving. Team captain, Pagarigan.
Oh! Pagarigan.
Service error.
Error on the service, giving Mabini the first set win. On deck to serve for Team Bugallon for set 2, Pagarigan. Bugallon. Viterbo. Ball out.
First point for Team Bugallon.
Still serving Pagarigan.
Good serve. Good ball. Eslera is set para kay Vicente. And that is off the block. And a point for Team Bugallon.
Vicente Brinaso ang middle hit. Giving Bugallon 2.20.
Free ball for Team Bugallon. Eslera 1-2. Bugallon. Eslera is set para kay Versosa. And another point for Team Bugallon.
Pagarigan still serving for Bugallon. Pagarigan targets Navarro. Check that Mendoza. Mendoza couldn't handle the speed of Pagarigan's serve. For love. Bugallon to the pipe attack, Damasco, and si Perez, Eslera, Vicente, dug by Libero, good ball. Free ball for Team Bugallon. And Versosa directs it to the net. Bugallon, the setter. Oh. Service error for Bugallon. Five serving one. Slera serving.
It's received. Viterbo, free ball. Slera is set sa opposite of speed, Bugallon. Shuffle by Mendoza is set para kay Versosa. Andun si Damasco. Bugallon to Viterbo. Slera to Perez. Bugallon sa gitna. Andun si Quejado.
Rally.
Free
We have a
ball.
long rally. Bugallon to the opposite. Mendoza, drop ball. Mendoza to Damasco. Bugallon to Viterbo. And Team Bugallon couldn't get that one. Navarro's on the service area. Good serve. Perez making something out of nothing. Bugallon. Viterbo free ball. Drop ball for Viterbo.
Smart play there for Viterbo. Down to 2-point lead. Navarro.
Sorry, go ahead, partner.
Slera to Perez. Cover. Free ball again for Team Bugallon. Set sa opposite. Bugallon to Mendoza. Andun si Pagarigan. Free ball. Bugallon is set sa middle block by Vicente. And another point for jersey number 1.
3-point lead enjoyed by Team Bugallon. Vicente in the service area.
Sharp serve. Sets free ball. Eslera sa gitna. Attack error for Osorio.
Sorio nalunod sa set.
On the
Viterbo.
service zone.
Sorio babawi pero hindi pa rin. Too soft on that for Sorio. Viterbo to tie the game. And it sails out for Viterbo. Serving jersey number 9 for Bugallon. Bugallon to Damasco. Pagarigan digs. Pagarigan attacks. No go. Drop ball for Manzano. Slayer to the opposite. Perez. Ano si Bugallon. Damasco. And Damasco scores.
Serving jersey number 19, Mendoza. Good serve. Eslera is set para sa opposite. And point for Perez.
Perez serving for Team Bugallon. Targets the libero. Manzano with a hit. Bugallon can't chase that anymore. 1-point lead by Team Bugallon.
Manzano. Slera underhands it to Sorio. Blocked. Self-cover to Pagarigan. Bugallon set para kay Damasco. Ginawa ng paraan. Slera to Pagarigan.
Good ball. Damasco free ball. Slera. Sorio again. Campfire for Team Mabini. Sorio serving. Ball out for Sorio.
Serving jersey number 7, Damasco. Slera to Vicente. Andun si Damasco. Bugallon chases that one. Free ball. Slera kanina bibigay. 1-2 play. Manzano to Viterbo. And another point for jersey number 9.
Viterbo tying the game for set 2. Serving Damasco. And it sails out. Pagarigan serving. Back-to-back service error for both teams. Deadlock at 10. Bugallon serving for Team Mabini.
Slera 1-2.
Slera a dump ball, but Navarre is there to cover that. Bugallon serving again. Good ball. Vicente airborne. Then si Damasco. Bugallon to Mendoza. Check that. Mendoza flying. And then si Perez. Slera again on the dump ball. But nandun si Viterbo and Navarre combining. Mabini now in lead. 2 points.
We're still watching the second set of the first game for women's division. Team Mabini and Team Bugallon here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. Versosa. Bugallon will set it to Viterbo. Then si Quijado. Free ball. Bugallon to Navarro. Slera to Versosa. Regalo. Attack error for jersey number 19, Mendoza.
11 serving 12 is Lera. Bugallon sets. And ball out for Team Mabini.
Another deadlock at 12. On the service zone, jersey number 13, Eslera. Too
Service
strong.
error for Eslera. Serving jersey number 12 for Team Mabini. Would serve Vicente.
Good ball.
Airborne.
Eslera.
Vicente again. And Vicente scores. $13 all for Team Bugallon and Team Mabini. Vicente serving. Sharp serve. Viterbo, lucky point. Pagarigan caught napping there. Viterbo on the service line. Good ball for the libero. Nice hustle play there. Free ball. Mendoza outside in that cross-court hit. $14 all.
Serving jersey number 9, Versosa. Good serve. Bugallon isa-set sa open. Andun sa Quijado, Eslera itataas. But free ball for Team Mabini. Bugallon back set para kay Manzano. Eslera to Pagarigan, off speed. Viterbo from the pipe, and another score for jersey number 9.
Viterbo successful in the pipe attack. Mendoza serving for Team Mabini.
Good ball. Bugallon to Damasco. This is Versosa. And another point for Team Mabini.
Mabini slowly pulling away, enjoying a 2-point cushion.
Mendoza. Slera to Perez. Bugallon. Mendoza from the
Mendoza
pipe.
again. Back row hit for Mendoza. Mendoza serving. Targets the libero Eslera. Going to Pagarigan, and Pagarigan scores.
Good answer there for the captain.
I think we have a change of setter there. Pagarigan. Mabini couldn't handle the Pagarigan hit. Down 1 point for Team Bugallon.
Perez. Good ball. Slera is set para kay Sorio. Blocked Libero plays setter here. And the Masco babies that one. And Team Mabini will call for time. We are tied at 17.
Seventeen all for set 2. Perez targets the libero. Bugallon to Manzano. Slera inangat ang bola. Pagarigan. 18-17 after that Pagarigan hit.
Thanks, sir. And a violation. Hold. Babalik na dito si Mendoza.
Perez still serving for Team Bugallon. Viterbo, what will she do? Free ball. Slera to the running Sorio.
Another
Viterbo.
free ball.
Pagarigan. Ooh. Collision there. Sorio punishes the block of Team Mabini. Three-point lead for Team Bugallon. Perez serving.
And
Manzano giving it to the back row. And she stops the bleeding for Team Mabini. Manzano serving. Good serve. Diretso kay Perez Eslera. Pagarigan again. And Pagarigan scores. Pagarigan heroic at that point. Giving Bugallon 3-point lead cushion. Sorio now at the back. Serving. Float serve. Bugallon. To Navarro. Pagarigan drop ball. Andun si Bugallon. Damasco. Islera to Vicente. And it's outside. Ball out for Vicente, giving Mabini their 19th point. Service specialist for Team Mabini in Botas. Slera, Pagarigan umikot. Pagarigan, ball out. Mabini diminishing the lead of Bugallon into 1. Botas is still serving. Float serve, targets the libero. Islera, inangat ang bola. Papunta kay Vicente. Vicente scores! Targeting zone 5 corner pocket. Pagarigan now at the back row. Ooh! Pagarigan ace serve. 23 serving 20. Pagarigan serving. Bugallon. Ooh.
Attack
Navarro.
error.
Too short on that drop.
And
Mabini
Mabini
will talk things out. Bugallon, Team Bugallon looking to end this second set. Pagarigan serves. Viterbo Bugallon, free ball. Slayer to Vicente. Dog by Mendoza. Bugallon sets. Bugallon sets to Viterbo again. And that off-speed shot, Pagarigan couldn't handle it.
#21 serving #24. Serve. Eslera bibigay para kay Vicente. Drop ball and we are going to
Vicente
a
successful
third
on
and
the drop
deciding
ball,
set.
tying this match. And we are going to set 3 between Team Mabini and Team Bugallon. third and deciding set for Team Mabini versus Team Bugallon. Pagarigan serving. Straight to the net. First blood for Team Mabini. Bugallon serves. Eslera over set.
Double contact
2
violation.
touches for Eslera. To love.
Still serving, jersey number 10, Bugallon. Straight to the net. First point for Team Bugallon. Serving, jersey number 13, Eslera. And a service ace for jersey number 13. Still serving, Eslera. Received by the Masco. Bugallon is a set sa opposite. To Perez. And she is blocked.
Good net defense for Team Mabini. Still serving Navarro. Sharp serve. Versosa plays setter but gives to no one there. Navarro still at the service line. Good serve is Lera. Binigay kay Vicente. Andun si Bugallon. Manzano. Ooh, directs it to the net. And the cheering squad of Team Bugallon is now activated. Vicente serving. Bugallon to the middle. Mendoza. Slera, free ball. Bugallon, Viterbo. Si Pagarigan, Eslera. Perez with the cross court. Viterbo tries. And it's ball out for Viterbo.
Deadlock at 4. Serving, jersey number 1, Vicente. Good serve. Damasco itataas. Bibigay ng free ball. Pagarigan. Tesorio. Doug. Mendoza sa 4. Eslera. Bibigay sa open. Ginawa ng paraan. Free ball for Team Bugallon. Eslera. To Perez. Blocked. Good cover. Eslera. To Versosa.
Long rally here.
Vicente. Eslera. Bibigay sa
Sorio.
middle.
No good. Mendoza tries. Slera to Perez. Free ball. Manzano plays setter. Viterbo nung gagawin. Viterbo touching the net.
Still serving. Vicente. Bugallon back set kay Viterbo. Checked. Eslera will set it to Versosa. Andun yung libero. Bugallon chases. Another free ball for Team Bugallon. Eslera will set it to Sorio. But that is outside. Point
Too
for
wide
Team
for
Mabini.
Sorio that time. Viterbo serving. Pagarigan receives Eslera. Itinas kay Sorio. Denied. Sorio will try again. Drop ball. Bugallon to Mendoza. Drop ball din. Sorio drops again. Damasco. Straight to the libero. Perez hesitated. Bugallon. Damasco. And she scores. Check that. Yeah, it's Damasco. It's a Damasco hit. Sorio, ball out for her, giving Mabini a 2-point lead.
Free ball for Team Mabini. Bugallon set para kay Mendoza. Ano si Pagarigan. Perez chases. Good ball.
Good chase by Perez.
To the
Manzano
middle.
denied by Sorio. Jersey number 9 serving.
Good. Soria will send it over, but
Ooh,
maybe
4
that
touches
one.
for Team Bugallons.
Mendoza. Quijado, good reception. Eslera is a set para kay Perez. Miscommunication. Bugallon will set it to Damasco. Blocked. Self-cover.
Coverage was there at the back. Perez will try punching that out. Manzano giving it to Bugallon for free ball. Eslera. Tinas kay Pagarigan. Nandun si Viterbo sa kabila. Bugallon. Damasco was dog. Rally here. Damasco will try again. Perez. And Bugallon couldn't get that.
And Team Bugallon will call
3-point
for
lead by Team
time.
Mabini. Bugallon calls for timeout and talk things out. Back to our ball game, and we are still live at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here in Lingayen, Pangasinan.
Eslera bibigay para kay Pagarigan, but another attack error. It's a 4-point lead now. Still serving, jersey number 19, Mendoza. Eslera ibibigay. And another point for Team Mabini. Mabini is slowly pulling away.
Manzano denying Pagarigan there. Mendoza serving. Collision by the libero, number 9. Pagarigan free ball. Ooh! Lucky point for Team Bugallon. Seven serving 11. Perez on the service line. Bugallon sees Menzano, dug by the libero. Perez, please setter. Pagarigan, sharp cross. Mendoza back row. Slera chasing, Pagarigan flying, and ball out. Five-point cushion enjoyed by Team Mabini. Manzano on the service line. Float serve, but it sails out. Sorio serving. Good serve. Ooh. Slater receives Perez, place setter, Vicente. Soft ball. Sorio sharp serve. Damasco. Ooh. Perez misreceived. Their service specialist for Team Mabini coming in to serve. Botas serving. Good serve. Oh, regalo for Navarro that time. Botas still serving. Good serve again. Perez receives. Vicente. Drop ball. Bugallon. Who will she go to? Viterbo. Ball in. By the line judge. Ball in. Botas on serving. Targets the libero. Vicente with the back row hit. Oh. Vicente. Good ball. Vicente too wide on that hit. Oh, sorry. Check that Viterbo. Giving Bugallon their 10th point in the third set. Perez, good chase. Ooh! Bugallon straight to the net. Good intention pero hindi pumasok sa kabila. Pagarigan serving. Mendoza over receives. Slera to Vicente. Vicente punishes the libero of Team Mabini. Pagarigan on the service line. And inside, a serve for Pagarigan. Just on the line. Pagarigan still serving. Viterbo. Ooh! Viterbo, zone 1, corner pocket, giving Bugallon a taste of their own medicine. 16 serving 14. Another ace for Team Mabini. Versosa targeting zone 5 corner pocket. A very exciting third set for Team Mabini and Bugallon. Mendoza free ball. Slera, Vicente, and he scores. She scores. Don't look now, partner. Deadlock at 17 in the third set. Slera serving. Botas. Play setter. Mendoza free ball. Slera to the middle. Vicente again. Denied. Versosa free ball. The heavy arms of Viterbo punishing the libero of Team Bugallon. Eslera going to Vicente. But now Vicente is at the back serving for Team Bugallon. Bugallon campfire after that Viterbo hit. That very wide donut hole in the middle of Team Bugallon. Mendoza finding the libero unprepared. 1-point lead by Team Mabini. Mendoza serving. Slera gives to Perez. Manzano plays setter. Damasco attacks. Andun si Versosa. Sorio babies that one. Too soft for Sorio. Mendoza still serving. Ooh, too wide. Good dig by the libero of Bugallon. Bugallon goes back to Damasco and she scores! (22 serving 20).
Manzano. Received by Quejado. Eslera isiset para kay Pagarigan. And a donut
Campfire
hole.
for Team Mabini. (21 serving 22). Sorio serving.
Good serve. Itataas para kay Navarro.
Ooh,
But
Navarro.
that is outside. And Mabini will call for time dahil tayo ay 22. Huwag po kayong alis dahil ang susunod na laro po natin ay Team Mangataram versus Team Bolinao. Nasa Game 1 pa lang po tayo ng ating Women's Division. At balik po tayo dito sa ating laro dito sa Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. Serving jersey number 6, Sorio. Crucial
Service
error.
error, partner. That timeout was intended for Sorio to be iced at the service line.
Serving Damasco.
Good serve.
And
And
the service
ace
ace!
serve for Team Mabini. Damasco so happy with that point. Vicente calms her teammates. Likewise with Perez.
Serving for the match, Damasco. Free ball for Team Mabini. Bugallon is set para kay Viterbo. And she is
denied.
blocked.
Viterbo denied by Vicente and Perez. Oh, sorry. Check that. It's Lera.
Serving Pagarigan. Good serve. Bugallon is set para kay Viterbo. Good ball. Bugallon to Viterbo. Andon si Pagarigan. Perez
Pagarigan is
itataas.
steady at the back
Free
line.
ball for Team Mabini.
Bugallon.
Bugallon to the middle, blocked. Good ball. And a
Oh.
point for Team
4 touches.
Bugallon. We are going to an extended set. This is race to 26.
Deuce, partner. Deuce. Pagarigan serving.
Sharp serve. Bugallon is set para kay Viterbo. Deflected.
Viterbo using the hands of Vicente that time. Bugallon's libero couldn't chase that anymore.
Match point number 2. Receive Eslera, ibibigay para kay Vicente.
And Vicente with an error.
An error and
Giving Mabini their win.
congratulations to both teams and congratulations to Team Mabini for winning this game. What a great game for our first game ngayong araw.
Bugallon fought so hard in that match. Congratulations to both teams.
It was a great way to start our volleyball action here at the Western Conference in the Women's Division of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nakita naman natin mula sa Team Bugallon na hindi naging maganda ang kanilang start. Pero at the end of the first set, kitang-kita natin na bumawi sila when it comes to their blockings, receive and also sa kanilang atake. From Team Mabini naman, naging consistent ang kanilang play from the first set up until the third set, and kita natin yung advantage nila sa floor defense. Napakagaling ng naipakita nila mula sa kanilang depensa. So congratulations for our winning team, Municipality of Mabini, and still congratulations for Municipality of Bugallon for giving us a good game. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 9, Jarija Viterbo, having 9 attacks and 3 blocks. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. Sa tingin mo, ano yung pinaka-advantage ninyo mula sa Team Bugallon na nagpanalo sa inyo for this game?
First set, ginawa namin yung inaano ng coach namin. Then, service lang talaga, less error, and talagang kapit lang.
Nakita nga namin na hindi kayo sumuko ng basta-basta. Lalo na nung second set na kahit nakuha ng Bugallon, yung second set, kita namin yung effort ninyo up until the third set. So ano naman yung feeling na nakakuha kayo ulit ng another win for your municipality?
Masaya kasi pangalawang panalo namin and tuloy-tuloy yung talo namin last play. So masaya kami na nakuha namin tong laro na to.
So hindi pa naman natatapos yung season here sa Western Conference, so dapat lang natin ibigay lagi yung best natin. So sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Thank you po sa coach namin na laging nandyan sa amin and hindi nagsasawang turuan kami and laging nagagalit. Nagagalit pero worth it naman. And kay Mayor po, Mayor Colleen Reyes. Ayun lang po.
So kita namin 9 players lang kayo kanina pero still ginawa nyo pa rin yung best ninyo kahit iilan players. Kulang yung players nyo ngayong araw. So congratulations again for winning this game. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our first game here in the women's division, but stay here on our page because our game 2 in the Western Conference is about to start. This is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.